All right. Hey everyone, this is Dr. Sapneil from Sapneil Tutoring Incorporated. And today from my desk, we're going to be talking about the best question that's yet everyone has. How do I get a perfect score on the SAT? Right now it's out of a 1600, 800 on the reading and writing, and 800 on the math. So let's start with the math first, okay? Math is 58 questions. You got to get about 56 to 57 of those 58 questions to get nearly a perfect score. So is it doable? Absolutely. How do you start? Make sure that you're getting all the easy and medium questions correct first. Then go towards the harder questions. That's the general overview or strategy that you want to start with. Second thing is make sure that you're comfortable with the 4 areas that are tested on the SAT math. Part of algebra, passport to advanced math, data and problem solving analysis, and additional topics in math. Each of these has their own percentage of questions, so it's really important to get familiar with those topics, know those content areas, and then practice questions around them. Practice to see some patterns in questions. Ultimately, after that, and you get a solid score, augment that with time management skills so you can do it under time conditions. A lot of students first, they make the mistake of timing themselves on these exams when they're preparing to take the exam. First, learn the content, learn the strategies, then incorporate time and come back on your time. So that's how you would approach the SAT math. The SAT reading, we all talked about this in a previous video. It's made up of several different types of passages, whether they're contemporary work of the US, which is like constitutional documents, or concepts of natural science or social science, or stuff on humanities and narrative or prose fiction. Those passage types are going to be very, very crucial in terms of how you do on the test and how well you actively read and understand the main concept of the exam. Ultimately, it's also making sure that you can draw inferences from those passages, gain the main idea and details, and know if there's shift in author or shift in perspective or point of view, and if they're presenting different facts within the passage. That's really important. So reading technique takes a little bit longer, I'd say. In the writing section of the test, you're going to really have to work on grammar techniques, identifying the main grammar rules, and we'll have some additional video on grammar rules as well, and maybe even going through some practice exams on common writing techniques that you can utilize. Ultimately, it's very doable to get a 1600 on the SAT, but incorporating some of these strategies will help you. We hope to help you achieve your academic goals, and please reach out to us if there's anything we can do to help. Thank you.